Presenting Delfin DM3 Industrial Vacuum Cleaner with continuous automatic Clear-AUT filter cleaning system. It features sequential starting of its 3.45 kilowatt motors to avoid current spikes. This industrial vacuum cleaner is efficient, reliable and long-lasting. With the Clear-AUT filter cleaning system, the dust is vacuumed in the E100 suction inlet. A steel plate guides the vacuumed material downwards into the container, protecting the filters. Continuous vibration of the cartridges reduces the quantity of dust sticking to the filters and their clogging. A metal plate between the cartridge filters improves dust separation by reducing cross-clogging. The elliptical shape of the cartridges increases the filter surface. Additional ways to clean the filter are included. Press the button to turn the motors off for 12 seconds and to initiate filter cleaning via vibration. Delfin DM3 Industrial Vacuum Cleaner features Dust Stop Manual Filter Cleaning System, sturdy steel construction wheels, a 45-liter collection container, or a safe collection endless bag. Dust collection continues during the filter cleaning process. Maximum filtration efficiency and constant suction performance. Improved durability of the filters and motors. Get in touch with Concrete Care today. We have a wide range of Delfin industrial vacuum cleaners, filters and accessories on offer. We offer trade discounts, and you can try our equipment before buying. Visit concretecare.ie. Call or WhatsApp 01 88 99 000. Or drop into our showroom located at the Stabar House, Kylemore Park North, Dublin 10. See the description for details.